Hi everyone, just wanted to share my folding knife collection to date. As you can see, I have Spyderco's, Benchmade's, and one knife each from Protech, Fallkniven, Microtech, and V Knife Company. And there's another one from the Ontario Knife Company. So 11 in total as of to date. So let me show them to you one by one. So let me start with the Spyderco's. So this one is the Paramilitary 2 in CPM Crewwear blade steel. This one is with micarta handle scales. I have fiber what's it called, the carbon fiber style pocket clip installed from Lynch Northwest, and this blade is very slicey, and it has a liner lock behind it. So you press that and the knife closes. So this is the Spyderco Paramilitary 2. Put that on the side. This one is the Shamen, and it is blade steel is 15V, which is a very strong blade steel. Shamen is a bigger knife, so has G10 handle scales, tan color, and as you can see, it's much thicker, and CPM 15V, made in USA. So also has that liner lock in the back. That's how it closes, right? Put that on the side as well. Next one is the Smock. This one is made in Taiwan, and this is a button lock knife. It's carbon fiber scales, copper colored pocket clip, and this is the button. So you can open in many ways. You can open with a flipper, press the button, it closes. You can open with your middle finger, you can open with your thumb, and the blade chip is really nice. I like this very slicey one, and yeah, as you can see, it's made in Taiwan, and this blade is CPM S30V. All right, and the last Spyderco I have is the Manix 2XL, also in Crewwear. Crewwear was the first, you know, the paramilitary one that I showed you. This is the biggest knife I own, the largest folding knife. It's a beast. Whoa. See, it has smooth G10 handles, and it's have some fingerprints on it, so clean that up. Yeah, so this is the mechanism to close it. This lock here, press it down, it closes. So beast in the hand, as you can see. very strong. Then I have the Benchmades. This one is the 940 Osborne. It's also in CPM 30V, and the Osborne is the highest selling knife ever. It's one of the most famous knives ever made. And this is the original Osborne. It comes with aluminum green scales, the Benchmade clip, and a titanium back spacer. And the blade is a reverse tanto blade. It's not a tanto, reverse tanto. And it's called the axis lock. You close it with this. Different ways of deploying it. Very, very tough blade as well. Nice color, I like it. Then I have the Benchmade Freek and the M4 CPM M4 blade steel. It's a bigger knife as well. It's nice colors. I like the liners in the back. Change the pocket clip to red as well to match those liners. This one is black coated, and same kind of axis lock. Benchmade all have these axis locks. So nice in the hand, very stout. There's some jimping here, so if you want to cut it like this. All right, that was the Freek, or people call it the Super Freek. Let's go with the V Knife Company. It's the smallest blade I have. It's also a button lock knife. It's called the V Culex. Oh wow, I've played with it for a long time. So it's titanium handles, and this is a button lock as well. As I said, it's a flipper. Small blade, but nice in the hand. And then different ways of deploying it with the thumb studs, or even with the back of the finger. Nice one. Oh, it's getting cluttered here, so let me move stuff on the side. This one is Ontario Knife Company. It's my worker knife. The cheapest knife I own, I guess. So I use it mostly to cut boxes and stuff, Amazon, etc. This comes with micarta handle scales. It's a natural micarta, and it's D2 blade steel, and as you can see, it's been used a lot. This is a rat model one, by the way, and it's made in China. This has the front liner lock. You press that, you close it. Right. All right, so that's the Ontario Knife Company rat model one. All right, this is a Protech knife. It's also a button lock knife. It's called the Malibu. Malibu is also a pretty famous knife. It's actually very hard to get right now because it gets sold out as soon as it's released. Has aluminum handle scales, flipper, tanto blade shape, and button lock. very smooth action. And also 20 CV blade steel, CPM 20 CV. CPM stands for Crucible Particle Metallurgy. It's a US based company that makes blade steels. This is my pride and joy right now. It's called the Fallkniven PXL, and when you will see it, you'll see why. It is oh my god, so beautiful. The handle scales are ivory, not ivory, it's like imitation ivory, but it looks exactly like ivory. Stainless steel bolsters, pocket clip, and the action is so nice. And this comes with L-Max steel, blade steel, extremely, I think the toughest steel that I have right now. Has the liner lock. Oh my god, it's so nice. Smooth as butter. And then the sounds that comes out of the blade when it opens and closes are so satisfying. So the Fallkniven PXL and L-Max, and this is my tactical knife when I go to my army days. This is called the Socom Bravo. It's carbon fiber handles, titanium bolsters, titanium back spacers, titanium clip. This is a signature series, all the DLC coating. And oh yeah, so it's a Tanto blade. And what is this? And also it's a frame lock, so the frame kind of locks the knife when it opens, so you close it with the frame. Very nice. You can open it with your finger and with these thumb studs. Oh yeah, and very nice in the hand. Alright guys, so that was my folding knife collection as of today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Later.